Hi! Today we have two stories again. The first story I'm going to read you is called A Bean's Life. So last week we talked about butterflies and I think it was ladybugs, their life cycles. So sometimes things that are like animals have life cycles, and then sometimes plants have a life cycle. So let's learn about the bean's life cycle. Planting seeds. It is spring. Broad bean seeds are planted in the soil. With water and warm temperatures, the bean seeds begin to change. Oh, it's growing. Tiny white roots peek out of the seed and reach down to the soil. Roots bring nutrients from the soil to the seed. The roots hold the plant in place. Sprouting seeds. Soon a bean shoot sprouts. It pops through the soil and becomes the stem. Tiny leaves on the stem start to grow. The leaves begin to open. Roots take in water from the soil. The stems carry the water to the leaves. Leaves use water, air, and sunlight to make food for the plant. Oh, look at that. Cool. Flowering plants. Flower buds appear at the bottom of leaves. These black and white flowers have pollen. They also have a sweet juice called nectar. Do you know who likes that? The bees and the butterflies like pollen and nectar, don't they? Buzz! A bee lands on a flower to sip nectar. The bee has pollen on it from a different flower. The pollen will make the beans grow. Hanging pods. Bean pods grow and the flowers begin to die. The pods are lumpy and thick. They protect the seeds inside. Bean plants have about 12 bean pods. Each pod will have 3 to 8 seeds. Some pods are picked to eat. Other pods dry out and pop open. Their seeds fall out. These seeds may become new plants in the spring. How many of you guys like to eat beans? You like beans? All right. Well, beans come in a pod, and there's another vegetable that Mrs. Foy really likes to eat in the summertime. My dad grows them at his garden, and they come in a pod just like this. And they're not beans, they're peas. And so I have a funny book called Little Green Peas, and it's by Keith Baker. Blue boats, blue seas, blue flags, and little green peas. You see the peas enjoying themselves on a beach? That's funny. Red fences, red trees, red kites, and little green peas. Peas are playing out there. Yellow buses and bumblebees, yellow sun, and little green peas. They're playing baseball. Orange balloons, orange umbrellas, orange bubbly drinks, and did you say it? Little green peas. Green vines, green leaves, green sprouts, and baby green peas. They're just little baby ones coming out of the pods. Purple mountains, purple skis, purple mountains, little green peas. Skiing. silver coins, silver keys, silver plates, and little green peas. White, black, white stars, black skies. Look, what's that? Little green guys. The end. I hope you liked my books about the green bean cycle and the little green peas.